It's early.
Just gotta have enough.
The Mern. Oh, Mern and Nurse.
No one says it like that.
Cheers.
All right, can we just?
Wow, oh wow. Has there been a lot of feedback on the Aventador lately? People still think the car doesn't look finished enough. They're like, it looks unfinished, please add more to it. You need the wing, you need the side skirts, you need to change the caliper colors, you need to take the wrap off. Well, today we're gonna fill at least one of those requests.
Cha-cha!
This
big boy double wing.
Literally, let's get a height check, Cal. Height check.
Check. Make sure I don't bang it on the floor.
This is officially the largest wing I think we've ever installed. This is a little bit bigger. It might be bigger than the 1850 Big Country Lab wing on the 350Z.
No way. That thing looks huge.
I don't know, dude, but the surface area, like this, the actual width of this is huge. So you can see here on the Aventador, there is an active aero wing, and there is a wing on the car, but only at freeway speeds. So when the car goes above like 75 miles per hour, the wing kicks into high wing mode, and then when we slow down, the wing retracts, and it has more of a just like a squared off
now we'll have
wing.
Triple wing.
Now we're literally gonna have a triple wing.
We're gonna be Cars. Remember the scene from Cars? That I was gonna say racer, but we're not racers.
Oh, the triple, yeah, the
pentuple wing on that guy. That's us, baby.
So this actually has a double layer wing. So when the car is in its slow mode, the wing is down, there will be a little wing on the car, and then when it raises up, it's gonna be kind of obnoxiously large.
Oh, it's good. That's what I love.
Which I like.
I can confirm his breath does not smell bad.
Oh my God.
You just went in my nose. I'm so glad you brushed your teeth this morning.
So though every other install with this car has been relatively annoying because it's an Aventador, this wing install is actually super easy. We have 4 bolts.
Besides
one,
needing a Lambo tech.
2, 3, 4. We're gonna remove these lights, put them back on the new wing, and that's it. I do want to give a shout out to Nick from O'Gara because Nick came down this morning, put this car in service mode. Now this is a 2012 Aventador, and with the 2012 Aventador, there is no option to put the wing up with just a button. From the years prior, think 2013 and up, there's actually a button on the inside of the car that you can raise the wing. But if you have a 2012, you can't raise the wing. And that offers a few different issues. One of them being, if you want to do a wing install, you can't do it unless you're friends with someone that works at Lamborghini, or you take your car to Lamborghini so they can put it in the service mode to raise the wing. And you also can't take off the rear bumper if the wing isn't up. Not sure why Lamborghini thought that was a good idea with the Aventador, but that's just the way the cookie crumbles with this car. So thank you to Nick for coming down here and putting the car in service mode so we could do this install and video for you guys today.
Step 1 done. Next step, 15 minutes, put that on.
We have the voice shiner front lip on the front end of the car, and now we're gonna put the wing on the car. They make really high quality parts, mainly for exotics and whatnot. But I just wanna give a little shout out because the quality of these parts are amazing. As you guys know, we have Street Hunter, and we make products for the same thing for a different range of cars. It's really cool going in with a different perspective now that we create our own parts and create our own carbon fiber pieces. And to see another company who's been in the game for much longer than us, these are really cool parts, and I'm honored to be running it on my car. Fitment should be perfect. Let's put it on and see how it goes. Everything's already threaded, right? So we should just be able to mount it up, reuse the same hardware, and it should be super easy.
Why don't you stick her on there, Tej? Ooh, just a nice hat. Oh, don't touch it, it's cold. The water's cold, Tej. The water. Oh god. It's cold.
Okay, okay, here we go.
Oh, now we acclimated.
All right, fitment. Let's see if I can thread.
Do you need my help? I think you need my help.
Here, hand me another.
Here you go. Here you go, doctor.
Thanks, Detect.
Oh, it just goes on. Just goes on.
Fitment check going pretty good so far. Let me get a quick. Oh! She's the biggest hater ever. Get over here. She's the biggest hater with wings. Her face when she came out was this. This was her face. This was her face. This was her face. Ready? This was what it was. That's what it was.
It's just okay. I don't know anything about cars. I'm not.
That's
playing
for sure. Hey, okay, what?
Rude. Okay, yes, it does match that for sure, but like, couldn't it have, like, why does it have to be stacked?
Remember, the car lowers.
Touches it and it all falls.
It will lower when we're not moving.
Oh, so this will move down a little bit?
Yeah, but I will admit, when we're on the freeway, this thing looks ridiculous.
Dude,
Looks so good.
Like, what? It looks like some Disney
Oh,
cars. That looks absolutely ridiculous, but I love it. I'm gonna go drive this thing around the block. We'll go above like 30 miles an hour. It should take itself out of service mode. And then we can get another look at the car with the wing down so we can see it. There it goes, it went back down. Wing has been put down. Here we go. First look. This is how she appears. So now the deck lid on top is also carbon fiber. So when you look down, where this was normally purple and you could go get it wrapped to be purple, that's carbon. And the wing actually sags back a little bit and hangs behind it, which is a pretty interesting look. But now when you look at the car, looks a little more balanced out. You have the front and now you kind of have the back, so they're a little more evened out, which I know you guys will appreciate, but it's still missing one more thing. One more piece is still missing, and that certain piece should be coming in tomorrow morning, so we can add that later this week. But that looks monumentally better. Still need to get the calipers painted, but let me know down below, are you guys a fan of the wing or are you not a fan of the wing? I personally thoroughly enjoy the wing. As you guys know, winter is coming up, and for winter we have a massive drop, actually the largest drop Hyundai Company has ever done by like 10 times the amount. All day, Alicia and Ben have been preparing this room for the amount of inventory for Hyundai Company. And Ben, what's the number one thing that makes Hyundai Company run smoothly?
When I come into work, I just go, oh, ship station. I love it.
That's right, Ship Station is what we use at Hyundai Company to manage everything from outgoing orders to dealing with returns. And right now, if you guys use code TJ, you can get up to 60 days for free for your online business using Ship Station. I'm gonna leave the links down below for you guys to check it out. As you can tell, it's the next day, and I do wanna show you really quick what came in, because I told you earlier in this video, more parts were coming in. Ooh. I'm not gonna show you too much detail, but you guys could probably figure out what that piece is for the Aventador. I'm very excited to install that tomorrow because it will finally balance out the look of this whole entire car. And I don't know if I said this yesterday, but I was actually talking to the guys from Voice Shiner, and they usually say people disable the functioning aero wing because when the car is in its double decker mode, it looks kind of ridiculous. I am aware that I think most people disable the wing so it doesn't go up anymore, so it doesn't look silly, but I'm gonna keep it. I think it looks kind of funny, and I really think it's really rad how the wing is multi-functioning. So I'm gonna keep it.